Today we're checking out the Weofly Vive 2 smartwatch. At first glance it looks like a stylish accessory, but once you spend time with it, you realize it's built to combine performance, durability and premium design for everyday life and outdoor adventures. The Weofly Vive 2 comes in a clean, compact box that already hints at its standout features like built-in GPS and 5-ATM waterproofing. Inside you'll get 2 straps, one liquid silicone strap and one nylon woven strap, along with a charging cable, a user manual and a quick connection guide. And finally, the highlight of it all, the Weofly Vive 2 smartwatch itself. The Vive 2 has a sleek and sporty metal unibody design. It's crafted from polished, monolithic, high-hardness alloy, giving it a smooth touch and a premium feel. The stainless steel bezel and buttons add both durability and a sophisticated look. It also comes with a convenient spin navigation wheel, letting you scroll through apps and menus smoothly, even with wet hands. This makes navigating the watch faster and easier during workouts or outdoor adventures. The Weofly Vive 2 is rated 5-ATM, so it can handle water up to 50 meters deep. Whether you're swimming in a pool or venturing into open water, it can keep up. And if you activate the water lock mode, the screen won't register accidental touches underwater. Combined with the high hardness glass, it's built for both active lifestyles and everyday wear. The display is a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with 466 by 466 pixels, 321 ppi and 1000 nits brightness. It has double hardness protection, an ergonomically curved design and an always-on mode, making it easy to read anytime. With a 60 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through menus and notifications feels fluid and responsive. For outdoor activities, the Weofly Vive 2 has high-precision GPS, altimeter, and barometer. It tracks your routes and distances for cycling, running, or hiking. You can monitor your real-time altitude and see elevation changes in graphs, making route planning and progress tracking simple. The built-in compass ensures you always know which direction you're heading, whether you're in the forest or climbing a mountain. The Weofly Vive 2 tracks your health all day using a high brightness sensor and Weofly's proprietary algorithms. It monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep, and stress throughout the day. There's also a guided breathing mode to help you relax during stressful moments. It's like having a health coach on your wrist, giving you insights anytime. The 600 mAh battery is impressive. On typical use, you can get about 10 days of battery life. With heavy usage, it lasts around 5 days. If you are using GPS continuously, it can still give up to 25 hours. In my own test, I kept Bluetooth on and wore the watch for 5 days, starting at 95%, and it still had 16% left. That shows just how reliable the battery is, letting you go through daily activities or even weekend adventures without constantly worrying about charging. In this app, you get over 100 free watch faces to choose from, and you can customize the functions on each face according to your habits. Want quick access to heart rate, steps, or notifications? You can arrange it exactly how you like, making the watch truly personal. So that's the Weofly Vive 2. It combines a premium sporty design, a vibrant AMOLED display, reliable battery life, precise health and fitness tracking, advanced GPS with outdoor features, and a fully customizable experience. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can keep up with both your workouts and everyday life, this one's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.